I was really nervous when I first went in there. Janie at Bright completely put my nerves at ease. She just said, come on in, it's, not a big deal. And she's asked me, do you sleep with your mouth open or closed? And I said, no, I sleep with my mouth closed. And so she said, okay, well, we just work with something on your nose then. And I was like, okay, that sounds promising. So she has me put the little mask on. And I'm kind of like, well, that's not so bad. And then she turns it on, and it's a blast of air. I kind of was like, oh, I can see how this would work. I took it off, and she said, that's it. And I went, you're kidding. And she goes, no. She folds it all up, puts it in the little kit, zips it shut, hands it to me, and she says, now we have it set up so that when you get to your house, you turn it on and we can see how it's working. And I thought, well, that's smart. Every time I have a question, they're always quick to answer, and they work with supplies and they work with my insurance. They were just really helpful and just took care of it, no problem.